degree centigrade, which we have done by using this. Melting is clear to all of you. 80 is below, 37 is on the top. After melting, our agarose becomes actually like water. This is agarose. And in case I tap my agarose, it is gone. This agarose is melted now. If you can come back, can you record this? In case I do like this, it is again melted. After melting, come to 37 degrees centigrade, sample 37 degrees centigrade, and add 40 micromoles to the sample at 37 degrees centigrade and mix it. This you can do. Then we take out the slide, and this is a glass coated, this is a glass slide which is coated with agarose again, and it's got a cover slip along with this. So there is a box of 10 slides we have. So every brand will do its own packaging, don't worry about that. But normally we have 10 slides, and you can see there are 10 numbers. There are 12 numbers, but they give 10 to 12 slides. So this goes and fits into this, and this is the way we prepare our glass slides. So this glass slide will have an upper surface and a lower surface. Upper surface is always coated with agarose. This is the main game you have to know. The upper surface will have agarose, and then after we have put the semen sample into it, we'll take 2 drops and put over. So it's agarose and semen sample. This is agarose. You bring 2 drops and keep it on the glass slide of 20 microliters. So agarose is on the slide, and agarose is here. And 2 drops of agarose coming here, and then we are done with this. Then what will we do? We'll take this cover slip and put over those 2 slides of drops of semen sample plus agarose.
We will put that agar.
Yeah, so we'll take this, add semen sample to it, and then put 2 drops over the surface. So agarose is already there, so they will stick to each other, like a sandwich will stick to each other. Like an envelope, they will stick. After we have done this, these sperms will get embedded in the agarose. They'll get embedded, it'll stick like an envelope. And then we keep it in the refrigerator at around 8 degrees centigrade for a period of around 3 to 4 minutes. After keeping it there, the agarose will again freeze. क्या होगा agarose को? It will become like what I showed you in the morning. It will become like a gel again. And now it is fully sandwiched. We have agarose layer below, sperms and agarose on the top, cover slip on the top and stuck. After 10 minutes, I will take it out, 7-8 minutes, and then I will move the cover slip like this away, remove the cover slip. And now what will I have?
It will come out easily.
It's like a jelly. It'll move.
Refrigerate it for 3 to 4 minutes.
4 to 5, 8 minutes. It'll get stuck, cooled. Then you just swipe it off, and the cover slip will come out. And you'll get this agarose gel, which is coated with sperms. It becomes your semen template, right? Any doubts still here? Any doubts here? Any one of you? See, the methodology of working. Every brand have their own way of working, their own packagings, but this concept will never actually change. And this is a way. So we have these agarose tubings. I've shown to you the agarose tubings. And then we have got the agarose coated slides I've shown to you. And then we just carry on with the business that I'll tell you now. So moving further, I'll just put things back. It goes back. And now we'll go to the further steps. And the further important steps for all of us to know is that we need to break the bond between the proteins and chromatin. So just remember that we have proteins like this on which a chromatin is bound. Chromatin never changes, but type of proteins they change. Type of proteins in immature sperms are histones and mature sperms are protons. Right? Beautiful. And our sperms are bound with the histone or protamine proteins. The chromatin is bound here like a top. Have you seen a top which used to play in the school days? So, like you think that you take a spool in which you'll put fiber around it, like what Gandhiji used to do, and what our grandmothers used to do when they had a when they used to make sweaters at home. And they're pinned here with zinc molecules. It's a tightly wound, and we say it is very well methylated. It's called methylation. So proteins are binding with the chromatin in very firm way. They're hugging each other. Because the chromatin chromosomes are too many, so we have to wound it around the protein so that they get tightly packed. So first step will be to break that bond. And that is called denaturation. So we'll have a first step called denaturation where histone and protamines will break away from chromatin using denaturation media. So first step will be denaturation. We break the bonds and then after we break the bonds, look what happens inside the, if you look at a sperm will have a nucleus and an acrosome. We are primarily concerned with the nucleus, right? And then in the nucleus we've got these protein components in which matrix in which chromatin is like this. Is it right? Once we denature them, then the chromatin will become free and they will fill the whole nucleus like this now. Everywhere there's a chromatin being filled here. And proteins are left in the middle somewhere and it's all chromatin. So whole nucleus becomes full of open chromatin. कभी किसी ने घर में स्वेटर बनाया स्वेटर. Nucleus will get full of chromatin. So we have done denaturation, but our chromatin is intact. It just opened up. Proteins are intact. They're lying in one corner now. They are divorced. They're living together, but they are separate. All those pins are zinc molecules. जो शादी के होते हैं ना वो क्या होता है वो methylation, deacetylation is a huge telomere lengthening, is a huge complex topic which I have taken a curtain for you before. 1.5 घंटे का CR में ले चुका हूँ. So अब क्या होगा? Since chromatin is broken, the next step will be lysis.